What is up, guys? This is Diamond Curly 13 and today I'm going to be catching this fidget spinner. So yeah, there's no rules, I'm just going to get straight into it. So yeah, here we go. I don't think I will get this first try. See? I'm afraid it's like my iPad or something like. Cause look. See? See how high that, like it didn't. It's loud and hard. That can actually like cut your head or something. Well, it wouldn't cut your head, it'll just like hurt you. Oh, I caught it, but it didn't keep on spinning. No. Oh. Oh my god. I caught that. I caught that. I think I caught that on my 5th try. I caught that. I actually caught that on camera. So yeah, guys, if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe, like and comment. So yeah.